What's up, y'all? So, if y'all don't know, I'm gonna tell y'all today. So we're in the process of moving, and of course, everything in this garage has to go to our new location. Here I am in here, trying to straighten up a little bit. We are moving 30 minutes further out from where we are now. Not too far from Hampton Youth, so all of this stuff we gotta pack up. Well, I have to pack up because, you know, she ain't coming in this garage. So when we do get the U-Haul, then we can just go ahead and throw everything in, drop everything off, because we are renting this garage that's at our community. So I'm like, yeah, nah, we're not gonna go ahead and wing that out. So that's what I'm doing right now. So get as much as I can done today before she calls me back and tell me, I need your help. So y'all stay tuned, and here we go. All right, so we got majority of the stuff on this wall, and boxes and containers and everything. We do have to get, let me show y'all the rest of this stuff right here. This may have to go inside the car, but it ain't no room inside the car. So this is what the inside of the car look like right now. Like, it ain't no room in here. So what I'm gonna end up doing, this bag of shirts, I'm still using them. So I'm gonna go in the house, go grab a trash bag, make some space right here. So I'm gonna go in the house actually right now, go grab some bags and stuff so I can get this stuff out the way, cause I be working Monday through Friday and I don't be having time. And then she been here by herself with the baby, so. Girl, what you looking at? So, got the trash bags. Gotta head back down there. So, but this whole process has kind of been, I mean, it's been cool. I'm gonna run to the store right quick. It's been cool. Like, it haven't hit me yet, so I can't say that I'm not excited about it. I most definitely am grateful that we are able to, bruh, she got my wallet, bruh. I'm grateful that we are able to, you know, move into a house on my 24th birthday. So I know I'm not really going to do too much. I ain't running to do anything but go out to eat. So that's going to be easy on her and easy on us, because we get to save some money. Because they told us that owning ain't no joke, because you're going to have to come out of pocket. So that's what we preparing for.
You tired?
Yeah. All right, so now I got my wallet. Go ahead and stop past the store real quick. Yeah, but like I was saying, this whole process it was unexpected. Like, we wasn't planning on buying in the house. Not yet, but hey, it happened, and we just gotta adjust. That's the only thing we can't speak bad on it. We can't boast about it. All we can do is adjust and keep continuing to thank God for what we have done for us. So yeah. All right, so we made it back to the garage. I'm about to put these clothes in a bag so I can get some space. Put this header, this head in, and then all of this stuff we may have to put in some boxes and stuff, but I don't know yet. And most of this stuff will probably go in the trash and get sold, so this is going to the house with us. But everything else is kind of, I mean, this is all I can do for right now, because like I said, I still gotta wait. I want to say it's 2 weeks from now before we close on the house. So once we get the truck and we get everything in, then we can go and see what we can put in and what gotta wait. But my goal is to place everything inside this garage, inside the truck. We're hauling this car. Pretty easy to move, but I ain't trying to do too much, you feel me? But I'm gonna see y'all maybe tomorrow or sometime next week. I don't know when I'm gonna go ahead and be back in this garage. So hopefully everything goes as planned. Yes, it will, and I'll be waiting here for you. Ooh. Somebody told me not to quit my day job. Whatever that meant. Woo! But deuces.